Okay, so quick question. What would you do if you woke up tomorrow and you were completely locked out of your phone? And I'm talking about like password forgotten, Face ID is not working, iCloud is asking for credentials that you swear you've used before. Well, I'm here to tell you it happens more often than you think. Now listen, I know it's frustrating whether it's an iPhone, a secondhand device, or an old phone that you don't use anymore. Getting locked out of your device is a really frustrating thing. And no, unfortunately, on the contrary of what you think, going to the store for tech support is not exactly the best help nor the fastest. That is why tools like Wondershare's Dr.Fone exist. This isn't some sort of sketchy hack or workaround. It's about giving users proper software-based solutions when they are locked out of their device. So essentially what Dr.Fone does is it enables you to unlock phones that you might have forgotten the password and now you have no access to. Now the great thing about this is that it actually supports multiple scenarios. So let's say you've forgotten your screen passcode, you disabled devices, secondhand phones, activation lock situations, Android and iOS devices. So you really see the list is kind of like endless. And honestly, the best part about it is you don't even have to be a tech expert to know how to use this and use it efficiently. Now you might be thinking to yourself, well listen, I'm not the type of person to forget my passcode or stuff like that, but the reality is you, just like me, can forget the password of our phone. It is so easy, and I mean you use it all the time, but let's be honest, it is very possible that you might forget the passcode of your current phone or maybe an older phone. And so this is why Dr.Fone is especially useful if you review phones, buy used devices, work on IT or repair, or just maybe forget passwords like the rest of us. Now let me give you a real world scenario of how you could potentially use this tool. So let's say have you ever had a phone that's just sitting around in a drawer, or maybe an old phone? Well, this could be a good time. You have the opportunity to go back and actually revisit that phone, no matter if you remember credentials, passwords, iCloud keychains, whatever the case is. Now you can go back and use that phone. Now here's what I like about Dr.Fone specifically when it comes to this stuff. It really focuses on a clean, guided interface that's easy to use for just about anybody. So like I said, you really don't need to be a tech savvy or know anything about tech. Really, the steps are truly really simple to follow. The instructions are also very clear. It is compatible with multiple devices and modern devices. So this is going to work whether you have an iPod, iPhone, iPad, whatever Apple device in any case. And it allows you to do everything in a controlled, professional way. So that way you're not losing any data, you're not losing any information on your phone, and you'll have peace of mind because you're not actually doing some sort of gimmick or hack. You're actually following a process that's safety and reliable. All right, so let me guide you quickly on the setup and how to actually get this up and running. Once you have the Dr.Fone Wondershare app downloaded, you want to go to the toolbox and unlock iPhone. From here, you want to use iCloud activation lock removal. It's going to be super simple from here. So this is going to be a really easy setup for most recent iPhones. For example, if you have a 17 Pro Max, you want to plug it to the computer. Once you have it plugged to the computer, it's going to be a straightforward setup from there. And then it's going to start downloading the driver, and essentially the driver is the main tool. It's going to start unlocking everything. As you'll see on the left hand side, the phone is locked to the owner. So while it's downloading the driver, this is essentially the main process. It's going to be accessing and unlocking the information. So now bypassing the iCloud activation lock. So once the driver has been downloaded, as you can see here, the next step is bypassing the iCloud activation lock. It's going to be the next step of the process. You're going to see the information on the iPhone is going to change, and now your phone is fully unlocked and you can use it. And you can see it says bypass complete. All right, now let's say you're using any of the devices on screen right now, which are older devices. The setup is going to be relatively similar. In the toolbox, once again, you want to go to your actual unlock and use the iOS unlock. You want to connect your activation iCloud, and then it's going to be pretty much the same thing. You want to plug your device, and then you want to click the bypass iCloud. So again, the setup is relatively similar, except this time what it's going to happen is it's just going to follow the process automatically. It's kind of even easier. You don't even have to disable DFU. It's going to do it automatically, and from there you just have to wait. Once it's complete, as you'll see, it says activation lock is bypass completed, and now you have access to those older devices. Now let me put you in perspective. Think about this. Think about how many people in the world right now have a perfectly good phone that they just can't use. Maybe because they don't remember the password, or because they don't have access to it. Or let's say you're a little bit more cheeky and you found the phone on the street, someone lost their phone, and you want to use that phone or maybe sell it to someone. Well, you can't do that because you can't access it. But with Dr.Fone, you can maybe just get access to that phone and actually sell it to someone. This is the kind of tool that can bring a device back to life. Or actually, now maybe that I think about it, maybe you have a little cousin or something of that nature that actually wants your old phone. And then now you've had this phone in the drawer for a long time, you can give it to them, you can unlock it, and boom, they have a brand new phone and everyone's happy. Now, if you're interested in this app, I'll make sure to leave everything in the description down below. It's a super simple setup. It's, just basically download the app and then you have to follow the clear instructions and you're good to go. If you have an old phone or an iPhone, Android, whatever the case is, and you want to get access to it again, this is the tool to use. It's going to be straightforward and you're now going to be able to access that old phone. So let's say if you have a few old phones laying around and you don't actually remember the iCloud keychains or the passwords to get inside, now you can use Dr.Fone, clear everything up and sell them so you can make a little bit of extra cash. Now, as always, if you found this video useful and helpful, a like, a sub would be very appreciated. It's going to help the channel grow further. And with that said, I do want to give a quick thank you to the team over at Wondershare for making this video possible. I'll definitely catch you guys on the next one. Stick around. We've got a lot of great videos on the way. And until then, I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.